Hello and welcome to LeadQuizzes, the number one AI quiz maker for marketers. This is Hamad, your customer success manager. Capturing leads is great, but automatically syncing them to HubSpot, that's next level. I'm going to show you how to automate your lead flow in under 2 minutes. First, let's connect your account. From your LeadQuizzes dashboard, head to the settings, go to integrations, find the HubSpot, the list, click on setup, connect and authorize. This will take you to a secure HubSpot login page. Simply sign in, select your account, just like that. Lead quizzes and HubSpot are now talking. Now let's take data where to go and open your quizzes. We're back into the dashboard. We'll open up the quiz. And we'll head over to configuration for the native integration. Click on add integration. Select the integration that we need to integrate with HubSpot and select the fields that we would like to configure. Save, and that's done. No more manual exports. Your leads now flow directly into HubSpot CRM, ready for your next email campaign. Still have any questions? Just reply or book a quick call. I'm here to help you succeed. Start building your quiz today with Lead Quizzes and watch your leads and your business grow faster. Thank you.